भगदड़ मामले में तमिलनाडु पहुंची है एनडीए की 8 सदस्यीय फैक्ट फाइटिंग टीम। इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के वहां पहुंची टीम ने पीड़ित लोगों से बातचीत की और पूरे मामले को समझने की कोशिश की। यानी कि एनडीए की 8 सदस्यीय फैक्ट फाइटिंग टीम के करोड़ पहुंचने पर भाजपा के राज्य महासचिव एपी मुरुगानंद ने कहा कि पार्टी उनके साथ समन्वय करेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि हम भी सभी तथ्यों की जांच करेंगे और उनका समर्थन करेंगे। टीम स्थिति का विश्लेषण करेगी और कलेक्टर, पुलिस अधीक्षक, प्रशासन और प्रभावित परिवारों से बातचीत करेगी। भाजपा किस तरह से उनकी मदद कर सकती है यह भी तय करेंगे और फिर पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को एक विस्तृत रिपोर्ट सौंपी जाएगी। भगदड़ मामले में तमिलनाडु पहुंची एनडीए की टीम ने पीड़ित लोगों से बातचीत की और घटनास्थल का भी निरीक्षण किया। वहीं तमिलनाडु पहुंचने से पहले तमाम नेताओं की प्रतिक्रिया भी सामने आई थी। यानी कि ये जो 8 सदस्यीय फैक्ट फाइटिंग टीम है, इन्होंने क्या कहा था जाने से पहले, वो हम आपको सुनाते हैं।
वणक्कम, आई एम हेमा मालिनी फ्रॉम मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट फ्रॉम लोकसभा। Our national president has constituted NDA delegation of 8 members and all our members are here, all from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. We have come to visit Karur and look into the matter, what happened and how these circumstances led to this kind of incident. And our national president Nadda ji and all of us have come here to express our heartfelt condolences to the family who lost their very dear ones, and also visit the hospitals to console the patients who are there. And then we will get back to know what actually happened. We'll get the report later on.
Yes, it should happen, CBI, because the truth should come out. Otherwise, the state government will not let this truth come out.
What is going to be the next move? In fact,
we will be talking to the victim's family and meet the injured. We will go on the spot and we will try to talk to the administration and find out where are the lacunas, why it happened.
But there was a criticism Vijay had totally failed to follow the rules of this thing.
Yes, that is evident. That is evident by the incident. We've lost 41 lives.
Okay.
Without negligence, these things doesn't happen.
From both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, who are part of NDA team, have come to Coimbatore. We reached very early in the morning and we are heading towards Karur, the incident site. All of us are aghast, all of us are shocked, and we convey our deepest condolences to the bereaved families and to those who are in the hospital. And as you know, the team is led by Honorable MP Hema Malini ji. Will go to the site and we will go for the fact finding. We will talk to all the concerned people and then we will submit our report, prepare our report and submit to National Presidency Nadda ji.
41 people have lost their life in this matter.
As we gather from the media reports, about 41 people have died and a huge number of people in the hospital. Many are women and children, 18 are women and 10 are children. So we are all aghast. This should not have ever happened. Unfortunately, this has happened. So let us go to the site. We will be looking into matters. We will look into all the dimensions and then we'll prepare our report.
Now, do you insist on a CBI probe into this matter?
No, let's see how it goes.
Going there for fact finding, our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. We pray for a speedy recovery. Okay. We are going to the place. We'll go to the families who have suffered. We'll also go to hospital and see the facts and we'll give our fact-finding report to.
This is the first time in a political history such kind of incident of 41 people had lost their lives in a political rally.
Of course, this is a big tragedy. That's why we have come.
Do you think that this kind of permission should be given for this kind of such road shows, even if elections are not started yet?
I think we'll go there and find the facts and then we'll.
So
yeah. I am a ex-police officer. I know. I had been DGP of Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. So I know how to manage and what is the problem and what happened actually. Yeah. That is our point of view.
Thank you.
Members meet the officials, get the facts, and then we'll submit a report.
Because there was a CBI inquiry has been asked for some political parties on this matter.
As I said, let us first hear the views of the people who lost their family members. Ask the local people, officials, get the feedback, then we'll file the report.
आप देख रहे हैं लाइव इंडिया हर पल।